Hey guys, Jace from Muscle Garage and Tuff Mounts. Today, we're going to fire it up. Hopefully, fingers crossed. Stay tuned.
What have you lost, Barry?
Nothing. I'm just making sure there's no leaks.
That always helps.
It does.
How many ROMs are in this?
91 at the moment.
91? Jesus. Here's Caleb. Hello. Man with the impressive beard.
Yeah, thank you. On the battery on.
Oh, it's coming to that time.
Making noise.
Going?
Yep, I can hear it.
What are you doing?
So currently we are just priming the main fuel tank to the swell pipe, surge tank, whatever you want to call it. Shortly we'll just basically jump these and send fuel down the car just to make sure the lines are clean before we do a final connection and send fuel up to the front and make sure the whole system works and there's no leaks. Once that's done, I think we're ready to
Kick it in the guts.
maybe kick it in the guts,
Nice.
which will be exciting, very exciting.
Say that again.
Pump one.
Just starting to come through now. Cool, go two.
Hello, Caleb.
Hello.
What are you doing?
I'm trying to connect to the internet.
We're having trouble finding the site. Is that Pornhub? No. Update, Barry? What's happening?
I'm waiting for files to upload and we'll see how she goes after that.
Home position. B2. It's all I've got reference here is B2 on the ECU connector, home trigger.
Yep. I'll come in. Alright, ready?
Yep.
Take it off a tiny bit. Yeah.
Yeah.
Just prime it again for us.
You let her
Wanker. Perry's just lost his keys under there. Yeah. Nice.
Alright, cranking.
What have we got for our fuel? I can't see anything on it.
Yeah, we're looking at the same thing, it's saying none. Doesn't change at all.
Yeah, okay. Just try that again. Crank it again. Weird how we get that one initial fire.
Yeah.
Just try it again for me.
So we've got spark, we've got fuel.
So whether we've got enough fuel.
Yeah, or too much.
Not very wet.
Do you want to just pull the wastegate off? Sorry, the blower valve off and spray some stuff in
It's
there?
gone direct into the manifold, yeah.
You got any dirty bastard?
Solvent does just as good a job.
Brake cleaner.
Oh, I use the brake cleaner.
We've got a bit of brake cleaner in the intake. Ready to crank?
Alright,
Go for it.
you can squirt a bit and then...
Same thing, right?
Starting.
Yeah, no fire that time.
Try that now with your corrections off.
Nothing.
Go put wide open for me, please, so it shuts the injectors off for a sec.
Come on, Caleb, stretch.
Wide open.
Right?
Yep.
Alright, beautiful. So we're gonna have to give it some throttle. Try that again, see if you can get it to run.
Yeah. Go again.
Yep, 2 seconds. Try that.
What's that one?
Try that. Give it another shot.
You're putting some cow fluid in it.
That shit, boys. Well done.
So, just fix up those few things, man, and
So we'll be able to do whatever we like with it pretty well without being stupid, obviously.
yeah, we'll make most of it work, so
Yeah.
you'll be able to make everything else work.
Yep.
Everything's running, just don't touch injector dead time. Yeah, everything else will be mint just to keep running and moving. That cam control's working now, so that's good.
Mate, I do appreciate your lasting near 3.5 hours.
I know, man, I know, all good. You boys have a good night and good job.
I will, mate. Thank you. And...
I'll talk to you later.
All right, bud. Thanks heaps, man. Cheers.
So,
I'm really not allowed to say it, am I? Thank God that is working, finally. It's been one hell of a battle.
okay, let's do one more fire up for fun. Yeah.
So, there you go. The FOXBODY's running, finally. It's been a bloody long time, but it's well worth the wait. The car's still got a long way to go, but it's getting there now. So we should hopefully have it all really up and running and hopefully travelling the streets very shortly. Still got a long way to go, some tuning, lots of suspension work. There's a lot to do, but at least it's now the point we can start investing some time in it and, you know, getting it sorted properly. I need to thank Adam from MPW, the amount of time that he's spent with us in remote tuning this thing through the amazing Haltech system. was just second to none. You couldn't really ask for A, a better friend, and B, someone that knows what they're doing. It's just, yeah, just fantastic. So Adam, thank you, mate. We've got a few more things to do. We've got brakes to set up, bleed, so we can get the thing stopped. Hopefully we can test all of the trans, make sure it goes forwards, backwards. And then after that, we will start some assembly, get some glass into it. So yeah, anyway, again, thanks everyone for watching. There'll be some more videos coming out of it shortly as it progresses and we get closer to the end. So yeah, stay tuned. Cheers.